Welcome! Today we are going to learn how to schedule an appointment for COVID-19 antibody testing. When you follow the link to schedule your appointment either from your follow-up email or through speaking with the Grassroots Labs customer support team, you will find yourself at the Quest Diagnostics appointment scheduler website. Here you will scroll down and find the button that says Schedule Appointment. Now here, you're actually going to press the button that says you've been sent by a medical professional. I know it can be slightly confusing because they have a button here that says purchase my own test, but this button is specifically for people who purchase testing directly through Quest themselves and not through a company like Grassroots Labs. Since Grassroots Labs provides physician oversight and an order from a licensed medical doctor, you're going to want to press the button that says Medical Professional. At this screen, you're going to want to click on the COVID antibody test. After reading this disclaimer and confirming that you meet the requirements, you'll want to press Yes. If you don't meet the requirements, please wait to have your test performed. From this screen, you'll either already have selected a testing location if you have location-based services on your browser. If this location is not the location that you would like to go to, all you need to do is click the Edit button. Allow it to bring up some testing centers nearby. This Quest Diagnostics in Fayetteville, Yorktown is the closest one to me. So I'm going to click on Schedule an Appointment. You can also click to see a list of the test centers by a map by clicking on the Show on the Map. I know this one is the one that I want, so I'm going to hit Schedule Appointment. Alright, now I'm going to select the day that I want to go have the test done. I click on the available appointment times. And 3:30 will work for me, so I'm going to go at that time. Now, I will fill out the information, choose how I would like to be notified about the appointment. Please note, if you click these buttons, Quest will actually begin sending you notifications for any lab testing that you do through them. So just be aware that that's something that they will do if you want to receive notifications about your appointments. Now that I've filled out the information, I'm going to go ahead and schedule my appointment. Alright, my appointment has been scheduled. At this screen, you can actually click Not Now because you don't need to pre-register for your appointment because all of your information that Quest will need to take your labs is going to come through Grassroots Labs. So at this point, again, you can click Not Now. Alright, and here's the final step is your confirmation page. We actually encourage you to go down here and click this button that says Print Details, as it will print out this page with this barcode. Quest has instituted new touchless check-in procedures at their testing centers, which help limit the amount of contact that you and the staff have. So you can actually print out this form and take it with you to the testing center, and when you get there, you'll be able to scan it, and it will notify the staff that you are there and ready to have your COVID-19 test performed. So at this point, that concludes this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to your Grassroots Labs Customer Support Center staff, and we look forward to talking with you. Have a great day.